Mrs. Johnston Beck, and we are going to apply what we have learned today. You have now heard about many Native American tribes and items specific to their way of life. You are going to draw three items that you remembered from today's read aloud. Your drawing your drawing does not have to recreate a scene or represent the entire read aloud. It can be very simple as drawing a clam to represent the letter C or a teepee to represent the letter T or a buffalo to represent the letter B. Mrs. Johnston is going to look back through the story and I am going to draw the Zuni Pueblo water jar. That stuck out to me because I liked the way that the jar looked, and I just happen to like the word Z or the letter Z. I find that to be a very unique letter. So I have drawn my Zuni Pueblo water jar. I added some decorations on it to kind of make it look like the Native American Zuni Pueblos would have it look. Here is my water jar. Now I am going to put the letter Z above it to represent my Zuni Pueblo water jar. I also remembered that Q was for quills. I'm getting a different color to draw my quills, and it showed that the quills were on purses or clothing. So I'm going to draw a purse or a container to hold items, and then I'm going to draw the quills that hung down. Quills are off of porcupines. And I'm going to write a Q for quills. So quills, here is my Q over here, and my purse or my um, container to hold things. And the quills I made look right here. Those are meant to be my quills. So as you can tell, Mrs. Johnston is not an artist by any means, and I don't expect that your drawings are going to look like an artist drawing as well. But it is fun to draw and represent. Next, I am going to draw juniper berries. I remembered that these berries were purples and blues. So I'm going to draw juniper berries. I remember those from the story because one of my favorite colors are blue and purple. And then I am going to write the letter J next to the juniper berries to show that that is the letter that they start with. Did you choose to draw the same items as Mrs. Johnston, or did you choose three different items? I look forward to hearing what three items you remembered from our Native American alphabet story.